Hello everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca, pianist, composer, piano and composition teacher. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch the introduction video of the channel. I'm leaving the link below in the description, where you will find also the link for my artistic channel in case you are interested in original music and covers. Going back to the Piano Lessons to Go channel, don't forget to subscribe and to share also with your friends if there is anybody that is interested in piano music. Let me know also about yourself when you started studying, your experience. Now time to go to our lesson. Today, following the poll that at the end I decided to make and to share in my community tab, I am going to publish the very first piece from the Thompson. This is Piano Course Part 4. I really hope that I'm making happy the students that were asking about the Thompson Part 4. Today we have to simply study a piece that is called Dancing Raindrops. That is again about the wrist staccato. The wrist staccato has been discovered at the beginning of Thompson's Part 3, so you should be definitely expert when it comes to wrist staccato notes. We have quavers, we have crotchet staccato, nothing complicated. Obviously, I'm not going to spend extra time now, because I suppose that you have really understood and learned everything properly and very well up to the end of Thompson's Part 3. I'm simply going to play it fast, slowly, just few elements of technical problems, but then I think that will be more than enough. Now, playing first of all at a kind of a fast speed, high speed, because allegretto is one of the, let's say, is not a fast tempo as could be allegro or even more vivace. You will discover presto, prestissimo, but allegretto is obviously some step just before getting to the allegro. So we are in F major, we have the B flat. Anyways, this one was the Dancing Raindrops played at higher speed. Now, I am going to play it immediately slowly, and you will see even more the articulation of the wrist. It is obvious that in case you haven't studied the previous ones from Thompson's Part 3, especially the video where I explained for the very first time the wrist staccato, I invite you to watch it. I'm leaving the link in the description below. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 2 and. As you can easily guess, to use correctly the wrist staccato, you have to simply articulate the hand around the wrist. This is the action. Tan 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 tan. When it comes to crotchet staccato, as I explained at the beginning of Thompson's Part 3, the easiest thing to do is the one of releasing the crotchets, the quarter note staccato, when you say end. 1 and, in this way, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and. Why? Because the power of the staccato dot is the one of reducing the sound of the note up to half of its value. So half sound, half rest. On the number, downbeat down, on the upbeat up. Down, up. So down, up, down, up, down, up. 1 up, 2 up, 3 up. This is the concept. You know, anyways, since you've studied the slur in Thompson's Part 3, the meaning of this sign. This is the slur, it's a two-note slur. This is crescendo, diminuendo, at least in general in strictly classical music. And that's all. Poco ritardando means that you have to slow down. and we shouldn't spend extra time talking about anything else. You should also know the meaning of this sign. This is the natural sign that you get here and here. The bar line cancels automatically is power. This is a simple courtesy. This is a kind reminder, because obviously the power of the natural sign ends automatically where there is the bar line. They are really kind, these publishers today. This one is unneeded, is not needed. You should know that automatically this B is automatically flat because of the power of the bar line to cancel the effect of these accidental. So, I think that it's more than enough. I really hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope that you are happy now that I'm publishing the John Thompson's Part 4 pieces. Stay tuned, because obviously from now on, obviously I will be publishing again Thompson. Is it possible that every now and then I will have to alternate these videos with ones again from the ABRSM syllabus, for those that are proceeding and going on with the studies from grade 1 up to grade 8. Anyways, stay tuned, the best is yet to come, as I usually say in reply to your comments. If it's the first time you're landing on my channel, thanks for this video, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. All the best.